top focus, the state of Bengal, wherein battle lines are hardening in the political field. A face-off between the Trinamool Congress and the Election Commission is out in the open, even as Amit Shah issues a no-holds-barred diktat to the BJP workers. Now, the TMC has alleged open confrontation during its meeting with the Election Commission, wherein party sources claim that the Chief Election Commissioner was arrogant, the tone inappropriate, and confrontations frequent. TMC further alleges Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar himself lost his temper and even raised his finger at Abhishek Banerjee, charges the EC has denied at this point. The standoff now has escalated into an EC versus TMC war over booth-level officers. The Election Commission has to say that West Bengal must release enhanced honorarium for the BLOs and ensure that there is no intimidation of the poll staff. The TMC has hit back, asking the Election Commission to push the centre to release pending funds, alleging that the BLOs are dying due to pressure from the SIR exercise. Now, amid this political slugfest that we see, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also has stepped in, and in a closed-door meeting with the BJP MPs and MLAs, Shah has issued a clear diktat to reach every booth, connect with every voter, and leave no ground uncovered. Sharpening his attack, Shah has said that Bengal has become a hub for infiltrators, vowing that the BJP will be leaving no stone unturned to form the government and to get rid of the state of infiltrators there.
हम लोग जब बात करना शुरू किए, पहली बात तो जब कोई बोल रहा था वो रोकने टोकने लग गया. He started losing his temper. मेरे तरफ उंगली उठाने लग गया. फिर मैंने बोला you are nominated, I am elected. आपका उंगली नीचे करके बात करिए. हम लोग जो यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है जनता का वोट से चुना हुआ है. बीजेपी के बदौलत खाली आपका एक नोटिफिकेशन का बेसिस पे मैं यहाँ पे नहीं आया हूँ. We are answerable to the people at large. You are answerable to your masters. I am answerable to the people of my state, for whom we have come here to ensure none of them are left behind from the final electoral roll when the list is published.